Massachusetts is filled with leaky pipes. The pipes were placed a long time ago, so a lot of these pipes are very old, and they leak. These pipes are supposed to deliver natural gas to the gas company's customers, but some of the gas doesn't get there, so where does it go? It leaks out into the atmosphere. The increase of natural gases in the atmosphere is not good. It increases the amount of global warming, causing greenhouse gases like methane in the atmosphere. It costs these customers money for the gas they never got. And natural gas can be highly volatile and cause explosions. This could very well be one of the causes of the gas explosions we saw in Massachusetts in fall 2018. These explosions ignited fires in 39 homes, injured at least 10 people as well as killing a teenager. It is believed that these old pipes that the officials have been pushing to be replaced, mixed with a major spike in gas pressure reportedly 12 times higher than normal, took this already detrimental situation from bad to deadly. It's just a lot of spit in my mouth. These pipes are natural gas to the gas customers' companies.
Nope.
These explosions, is that okay? I said gas. Recycle, kids. No. I didn't do bad with that one.